If you like the product, buy it now, with best price link in description.
Also, I just received my Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, which I'm very excited about because I love to cook. What is great about this is that it's upgraded larger capacity. It is USB rechargeable. It's automatic dust lids. It's adjustable grinder level, so if you want like a fine coarse or not too fine, and it's automatic LED light. So this is how it looks once it's out of the box. It does come with the little cleaner and the spoon. I want to go ahead and have it already charging, which is pretty cool. This is the lid of how you can go ahead and change it from coarse to fine. And then also, this is where you insert your pepper and your salt. You're just going to go ahead and turn it where it has the little lock where it's open. And then you would go ahead and insert your salt or your pepper in here. Just close it like that. This is where the on and off buttons are. You turn it on and the salt comes out of here. So let's go ahead, add the salt and the pepper and see how it works. How easy they are, super cute and very stylish, and I really love them.